Hi everybody, let's continue our painting exercise. We are exploring different outcomes using the same source image, materials, and techniques. This is the sixth composition out of 8. For that, we will need watercolor paper, watercolor, brushes, something to mix the paint, water, cloth, cotton ball, and cotton buds. Okay, this time we're going to try once again, use the same technique that we tried in the previous exercises, only we are going to explore a little bit more of how we can control the intensity of color and how we can make drama by using opposite colors. We start by prepping the paper by watering the whole surface of the paper, and I'm using the cotton ball to spread a very light shade of the blue throughout the whole composition. It is the same colors all over. And this creates some kind of balance of color throughout the whole composition. Bear in mind that we are not searching for likeness. I don't want this to be a copy of the source image. I am just using the image as a reference for lights and shadows and overall composition, but it's not about likeness. It's not important right now. What is important right now is to train our abilities of composition and also master the material that we are using, getting comfortable with layering, and being okay with committing some mistakes and learning what we can do around them. This is our goal here. I'm using the same blue that I used on the background in the eye to create some drama and make the red more intense. Each composition took an average of 15 to 20 minutes to complete, and this is the sixth of 8 compositions, and you're welcome to explore the others. And this is the final result. As always, keep on practicing, and thank you for joining us.